Welcome to the Cyber Update, your weekly digest of the digital realm's top stories. Let's get started. August 14th, 2023. Xiaomi blocks Telegram. Chinese tech titan Xiaomi has blocked access to Telegram on its devices sold in China. With no clear reason provided, speculations arise pointing towards Telegram's renowned encryption features. Colorado HCPF security incident. The Colorado Healthcare Provider Foundation faces a significant data breach. Exploiting a vulnerability in IBM software, attackers have pilfered clinical data of more than 1 million patients. August 11th, 2023. NHS looks to AI for radiotherapy. The UK's NHS is endorsing a modern approach. It's recommended the integration of AI in radiotherapy planning, seeking enhanced precision and improved patient care outcomes. August 10th, 2023. CISA's urgent advisory. Organizations, take heed. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has highlighted an exploited vulnerability in .NET and Visual Studio. This flaw could pave the way for malevolent code execution. Vulnerabilities in ATM fleet monitoring. A serious alert for banking sectors. Potential flaws in Iagona Scrutis Web and ATM monitoring software might open doors for remote hacking, leading to monetary thefts or malware installations. Pistachio secures funding. The Norway-based startup, Pistachio, celebrates a funding milestone. They've secured $3.25 million to bolster their AI-infused cybersecurity training platform, promising tailored defense training solutions. August 8th, 2023. Ford addresses Wi-Fi concerns. Automotive giant Ford acknowledges a Wi-Fi flaw in its vehicles, but reassures customers about their safety. The risk, they claim, is confined to network access and doesn't jeopardize vehicular control. Cyber incident at Tempur Sealy. Bedding manufacturer Tempur Sealy faces a cyber attack, leading to a partial system shutdown. Thankfully, core operational and customer service systems remain unscathed. That wraps up this week's Cyber Update. If our content is enlightening you, we encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay cybersafe and see you in the next update.